What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am super excited because we're going to be doing another dupe video, and today's dupes have such a big difference in price. I am so excited to see if they are actually dupes or not. We are going to be checking out the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream and putting it to the test against the Miracle Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. I picked this up yesterday. This is $100. Okay, I have my receipt right here. With tax, I spent $106.63 on this Miracle Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. And the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream is $35. So, huge difference in price. We're gonna see if they're actually dupes today. We're gonna do half face, half and half, and see how they work. I haven't tried either product before, so this is gonna be a genuine first impressions, and we are gonna be doing a wear test throughout the day to see how they last on the skin throughout the day as well, and how they kind of interact with my foundation and keep it on since they are both primers, and that's how we're gonna be using them today. I wanna give a big shout out to Juno & Co. for partnering with me on today's video, but obviously, like I told you guys, this is gonna be a genuine first impression. You guys are gonna be here with me trying them both firsthand. We're gonna see whether or not it's a dupe, see if the Miracle Cream is as good as they claim, and I cannot wait. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I am so desperately trying to make fall happen. I literally have this like nice cozy sweater on and I am sweating in my filming room right now. But it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of background on what the Moonshine Miracle Cream claims. It claims that it's supposed to give you an airbrush finish with or without makeup. So we are gonna see that. I'm gonna apply it to my face. Obviously, I have no makeup on right now. We're gonna see how it makes my natural face look, and then we are going to be applying foundation over it to see how it works as a primer, see how it makes my foundation look, and how it makes it last throughout the day. It's supposed to be lightweight. It has hyaluronic acid in it as well as avocado oil, so it is gonna give you that multi-depth moisture, and it doesn't have harmful ingredients, so no harsh chemicals, and it is cruelty-free. So it's basically supposed to soften and brighten your skin and minimize the look of pores. So we are gonna see, I'm gonna read you the claims of the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. They're very, very similar. This is supposed to moisturize the skin, give you a glowing complexion, and transform tired skin in an instant. So we shall see how they work against each other, which one is gonna make my face look better. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Moonshine Miracle Cream first. I'm gonna put that on the left side of my face. I always get nervous that I'm gonna forget which side I put which on and then mess up a review. So left side, Juno & Co., right side, Charlotte Tilbury. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super, super cute. I feel like it looks like a space orb or something. I love it. Super futuristic packaging. And this is what the cream looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it with my finger onto my face. I'm not gonna use a brush. Ooh, it's very smooth. It definitely has a super, super silky finish to it, which I think is gonna be great to apply foundation on top of. Like, it's really gonna make your foundation glide because it feels so beautiful on the skin. Like, it feels like butter, which I like. My eyelash extensions are going crazy, excuse that. Wow, and it just melts into the skin really easily. Like, that took like 5 seconds. Wow. I wish you guys could feel what my skin feels like. Like, it feels really, really nice, very bougie. Like, it doesn't feel like dry and patchy like it normally does. It feels so beautiful, which is crazy because I have very, very, very dry skin. So I need to use like heavy duty products to really get my skin to feel like this, and this feels amazing. I'm just gonna work that in on my forehead as well. And I can also definitely see the pore filling aspect. I hope on camera it shows up, but this is obviously the side that I have it on versus this side. This side definitely looks more like smoothed over. And I also feel like it kind of covered up my redness, which is kind of weird because there's no like color to this or anything. Like it's not tinted, it like blends into your skin. But if you guys see this side of my face versus this side, definitely more redness on this side of my face than on this side after applying this Miracle Cream. So maybe that's the brightening aspect of it. Like, it's brightening up my skin and toning down that redness, which is awesome. So feels really, really nice going on. Definitely made my face look more smooth and less red. So I like that a lot. I'm interested to see how my foundation applies on top, but it feels super silky on the skin, so I think it's gonna apply really nicely. And I feel like it like quenched my skin. Like, my skin needed that moisture, so I like that a lot. Gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury on the other side. Let's see how this guy works for $106. Okay, so they look very, very similar, like in the way they look. Let me show you against each other. They basically look the same. So they essentially have the exact same look as far as the product goes. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury cream on this side. This one also feels smooth and silky. They have a very similar like feeling on them. This one definitely has a scent to it. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a classic like moisturizer like scent. Like, I feel like my mom's moisturizer smells like this. I don't know how else to describe it, where the Juno & Co. one just has no scent or anything to it at all, which for skincare a lot of times is better to have unscented. I know a lot of people like that, but that's just like a personal preference kind of thing. But upon first applying it, I would say they both feel very, very similar. This side has dried down a little bit more than this side, obviously, because I just applied it. So now they feel a little bit different, but upon first application, they felt very much the same. So I'm gonna allow this to set down for like 1 minute or so, and then I'm gonna come back and let you know how they feel at that point. All right, so it has been about 1.5 minutes, and my face feels identical on both sides. They both have like a little bit of like texture to them still. Like I can still feel like the moisturization, is that a word? of my skin, but they essentially feel exactly the same, and I feel like it has dried down enough to be able to put foundation on top of for sure, which is really good with moisturizing primers. You do want them to be able to soak into your skin relatively fast, so it's not like you have to wait a long time before going ahead and applying foundation. So I think we are ready to go. I'm gonna use a foundation that I know and love. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, because I wanna use a foundation that I'm familiar with so I can see how it looks and lasts with the primers. Put my hair behind me because I'm sweating. All right, gonna go in with foundation like I normally would, and just go ahead and apply it and blend it all out. In terms of application and everything of my foundation, everything seems normal. I am gonna use a close-up mirror once I'm done to look at both sides, but as far as application goes, seems normal. And the foundation is definitely gliding super easily on the skin because it's nice and moisturized with both of the primers. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get a really up close look of my skin, and I'm gonna use a up close mirror to look myself. All right, this is as far as my camera zooms in. We are up close and personal, but I hope you guys can really see my face and how everything looks on both sides. I would say my face as a whole does look really, really nice. The foundation looks good. I can definitely tell on the Juno & Co side that my pores are a little bit more blurred. So if you see on this side, I have less emphasis, I feel like, because I have a lot of texture where I have my pores too, like right in this area. And on this side, it's definitely more blurred than on this side, which is where I use the Charlotte Tilbury cream. I would say my face on both sides feels equally moisturized and everything, but I think the Juno & Co Miracle Cream definitely adds that blurring feature that I'm not getting as much on the Charlotte Tilbury side. But aside from that, I mean, I feel like they look very, very similar. I wear this foundation almost every single time that I wear foundation, so I'm very familiar with how it wears on my skin. I'm definitely gonna be doing updates throughout the day, letting you guys know how everything looks. But so far, I am definitely believing that the Juno & Co Moonshine Miracle Cream is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, if not even like a better product. Like not even just dupe, but like it's blurring my pores, where on this side I feel like it's not. Like if you see in here, you can definitely see my pores. I can see them like in real life, so I'm hoping that my camera's picking up on it. I don't have any like blurring features or anything on my camera. Like this is what my skin looks like. Versus on this side, it's definitely more smoothed over, which I prefer. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. The texture of this is really, really nice. Now that we're up close, hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better, but it's just like a really nice cream that just like soaks into your skin and literally feels like butter. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna go on throughout my day. I'm gonna do check-ins. We're gonna see how this lasts and see if it's a dupe. So I'll see you guys soon. Hello, you guys. So I am currently in the car right now. I actually just sent Steven into the food store, and I got to stay in the car so I could film this little update for you guys because I have been running around like literally all day. So I wanted to update you on how my foundation is looking. It is looking really, really great. We'll do a nice up close look. Sorry if the lighting is a little weird. The sun is hitting me, but you can absolutely tell on this side more emphasis on pores and texture than on this side, which is where I used the Juno Miracle Cream versus the Charlotte Tilbury side. Face still feeling really hydrated and everything though on both sides, and I feel like my foundation is lasting really well, which it normally does, but like nothing wonky or anything is happening like because of the cream or anything like that. I'm sorry, the sun is like beating on me. Does that help? No, not at all. I moved the little side thing. But yeah, so far I am incredibly impressed. Obviously, we're gonna wait and see. It is 5:47 right now. I put this on my face today a little bit later in the day, so it was about noon when I put it on. I still have a lot to do for the rest of the day though, so I will do my final check-in with you guys much later tonight so I can wear it for a long time and basically for the whole day and let you guys know my thoughts. So I will see you in a little bit. Hello, you guys. So it is 10:33 p.m. right now. It's pretty late. I'm ready for bed. I just got home from the gym, but I wanted to do my final check-in with you guys and show you guys my face super up close. So I'm gonna zoom in really close so you guys can see. All right, so here's how my face is looking up close. I think it looks great. Obviously, I already knew I loved the foundation, but I think the primer actually really helps to adhere the foundation to my skin really well. It looks really, really nice, and I've had it on for quite some time now. And I was out and about all day, went to the gym and everything, and did not do any touch-ups at all. This, again, is the side that I use the Moonshine Miracle Cream on from Juno & Co, and this side is the side that I use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream on. And I still stand by the fact that you can definitely see my pores more on the side of the Charlotte Tilbury than you can on the Juno & Co Moonshine Miracle Cream side. So I am fully fully impressed. My face on both sides feels super moisturized, so that is a plus for both of them. But I mean, again, the Charlotte Tilbury product is $100, $106 with tax, where this is $35. And I actually do have a coupon code for this. It's XO Kelly. That'll get you 10% off, and there'll be a link in the description box where you guys can get this. But I am honestly so impressed. It is 100% a dupe, if not even better. Like, I feel like it's not even like a dupe because it's actually a better product. Like, I prefer this product for sure. And I don't make any money from the use of that code either. It's not an affiliate code. It's just a way for you guys to save money if you're interested. But I am super, super impressed. I mean, you guys can see like for yourself. I'll pan slowly, but you can definitely see more of my pores like in my cheek area on this side than you can on this side. Regardless, they're both nice moisturizers or primers for your skin. They made my skin feel really, really nice, which is great, especially from a dry skin girl. But the Charlotte Tilbury for sure is not $65 better. The Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream is like my new favorite primer. I'm actually really, really excited about it. I think you guys are really gonna love it. I also feel like if you look around my mouth, like I always get lines right around my mouth. I'm like very expressionary when I move my face, so it just always happens. But this side, the line is definitely less than on this side, which I also think is interesting. Like, I don't know if that has to do with the cream, but I feel like it probably does, because like why else would that happen? Like, it's definitely more, like my smile lines are definitely a little bit more accentuated on that side versus this side. So super impressed. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I love you guys. This is so up close. I feel like weird closing out the video being this close, but I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.